welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are well and I hope you all are doing great. Today I've got an exciting unboxing to show you all and I'm so excited. If this is the first time of checking out my channel, hello and welcome. Please stick around, make sure you like, comment down below and subscribe to my channel. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you guys so much for coming back to check out my new videos. So I'm so excited today because I finally get to unbox the Our Place pot and pan. I hope they call it a pot because I call it a pot. Anyway, if you've been watching my videos, you would know that I love kitchen gadgets, especially nice cute ones that make cooking so much more fun and easier. So today I'm going to unbox Our Place. So I feel like Our Place has been targeting me for a while now because I keep on seeing the adverts on social media. And so I decided to give it a go and try it out. So yeah, I'm so excited. Let's unbox this. This box just arrived. So I said before I, start unboxing, I need to show my YouTube friends. So here is one box. So I've got two boxes. So I've got this one here. Let's put it down here. And I've got another one. Wow, yay! I've got two boxes here. Can you guys guess what I got from Our Place? So I love kitchen gadgets. I love things that are cute, functional, essential, things that, make me want to go into the kitchen and cook a meal. Sometimes you need some very inspiring kitchen gadgets to kind of get your creative juices flowing in the kitchen. So yeah, I'm so excited for these two items. This looks amazing. It says, "Welcome to Our Place. We saved you a seat." Nice. They saved me a seat. Come on. That sounds really good. So the first item in the box is this. Okay, let's have a look at what we've got here. Oh wow, they added in a sponge. That is good. A nice little addition here. So we've got a natural sponge. It's made for scrubbing away at the dishes you left to soak in the sink. Soak sponge in water to activate and get to scrubbing. So you just need to soak this in water and I believe it will puff up and become bigger for you to wash your pots. We have a little manual here and it says the always pan can be used for just about anything. You can use it to steam, boil, rest your spoon, twist the lid, pour one out. So yeah, that is a handy guide right there. And we also have this one here, just kind of like a flyer. Okay, so enough reading, let's unbox this. So I like the packaging, little details here. So it says, "Meet your new everything and always pan. Everything you need to know. Say goodbye to takeout." Goodbye takeout. I've got my always pan now and I got this cute pink one. I can't remember the name of this pink one, or is it coral or something, but it's so cute. I absolutely love it. Oh wow, so the handle has this kind of smooth texture. This part is quite rough, but this handle is nice and nice and smooth. It's a very nice texture. And I'm not quite sure what texture that is. It's not wood, it's not plastic. I don't know what it is, but it's such a nice texture. Yeah, so I've got the pan cover there. And the next item is this one. Yay! So it says, "Your new nesting steamer basket for dumplings, veggies and more." Okay, we'll take this out. This is just a piece of paper. So this basket is for veggies. It's for steaming your veggies. And then this one, it says, always pan is designed to help you do more with less. So in this pan, you can steam, you can saute, you can braise, you can fry, you can make stew, you can boil, serve, store, and more. Amazing. This is so cool. Absolutely love the interior. I love how nice and smooth this pot is. It's a nice non-stick, non-stick feel. They said caution, handle gets hot when cooking, so you've got to be careful with this handle. This one is nice and smooth as well. It's a nice smooth texture. This is the back. Okay, nice silver, well, should I say aluminium, nice. It's just nice. This is a nice little pan. Okay, let's see what else is in the box. We've got the spoon here. Let's open it up. So this bag isn't like other bags. It is biodegradable and compostable. So good. Nice, sustainable packaging right there. So this is the spoon. This is a cute spoon. And the good thing about, the always pan is you can rest your spoon, on the pan whilst you cook, just like this. Here, I'm going to unbox this. Again, we've got the Our Place logo here, and you can pull this bit. You can pull this bit to open nicely. Let's see what's in here. Wow, what is this? Again, another sponge in here. That's nice. So here you can learn more about taking care of your always pan, some tips and tricks. I need to read up on all of this, but let's keep this aside for now. It's quite similar to the other one. Have a spoon here. Wow, this spoon is quite different from the other spoon. This one has got marks, on this side when you open it, whereas this one is quite different. This one just has a hole. So this is for the pan, and this one is for the pots. Okay, let's see how it works. Ta-da! The pot is out in all of its glory. This is an addition to the pot, and it's a roasting rack, and it makes perfectly cooked meat, veggies, and more. Oh, this is so good. What a great addition. This is nice and rubbery, kind of like soft, this standing part, so that's good. It says one perfect pot for a million one pot wonders, whether you're feeding yourself or a table full of chosen family. So with this pot, you can roast, fry, steam, saute, sear, bake, serve, store, and more. Fantastic. You can actually do some baking in this pot. Amazing. It's absolutely brilliant. I love when when kitchen gadgets are very versatile, multi-purpose. It just makes me want to buy it. So I love this pot here where you can, like, for instance, if you're cooking spaghetti and you want to pour the water away, you can just hold the pot like this and pour the water away. It's fantastic. This is how the spoon works. You put it here. Okay, so one part of it hangs like this. It's open in here. You place it nicely over the spoon like this. Ta-da! So cool, isn't it? I thought I should bring all of the items up close so that you guys can have a better view of how everything looks. So this is the manual, the pot, the spoon, the cover, the steamer. So now that I've unboxed everything, let's get down to the nitty-gritty. The perfect pot and the roasting rack are oven safe up to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. so which is a good amount of heat. So always remember to use an oven mitt to hold your pots, because the handle gets really hot. Always use the low to medium heat. Do not use the high heat on any of these items, and also never heat an empty pot. So always try to put, you know, oil or water or something in your pot before you cook. Never, you know, cook with an empty pot when using these items. So you've got no excuse to use metal spoons when cooking. They literally give you all of the handy wooden spoons to use when cooking, so that you do not mess up the non-stick effect of your pot and your pan. Also, stick to hand washing. Yes, that is why they gave you these sponges, so that you can hand wash your perfect pot and always pan to avoid any problems with your items. And also, if you want to bring out any, you know, sticky or tough, you know, stains or mess in your pots, use boiling water, soak it for a while, and then it will come out smoothly, which is fantastic. You can hand wash and towel dry your spoons, and use mineral oil when your spoon feels dry. Right, so another good tip is this one. So this is the roasting rack, but it doubles as a steamer as well. So all you need to do is put this on here, put some water underneath, and then you can steam your veggies on top like this. It will look something like this. So this is good because it doubles as a steamer and a roasting rack. And it's interesting to know that the lid comes with a strainer, so you can strain any of your liquids, which is good if you have, like, if you're cooking spaghetti or rice and you want to give it, you know, a rinse out. You can use the lid. The lid comes with a built-in strainer, so you can use this to strain, you know, your liquids out of whatever you're cooking. I feel like this is really, you know, great for the perfect pot and the always pan. So without further ado, I'm going to move on to the kitchen and test these items. First off, I will unwrap the sponge. This is the Our Place sponge, and then I'll give it a soak in water so that it can swell up and puff out. And then I will use the sponge to wash the Our Place pot and pan. Here I'm giving the always pan a good wash in and out, and I'll do the same for the perfect pot. Now that I'm done with washing, I'm going to fry 2 eggs in the always pan to see if it sticks or if it doesn't. So yeah, my 2 eggs are here, they're ready, well done, love it. It didn't stick at all and it fried very well, so I'm pleased. So I also had to try out the perfect pot by making some delicious jollof rice, as you can see here, and it was so good. Like, the taste was superb. It was so delicious. I just had to show you guys the finished work. I put some onions on top and it was nice. The flavor, the scent, everything was so good. Overall, I'm really happy with the always pan and the perfect pot. They are great. Thank you guys so much for watching the unboxing and testing of Our Place perfect pot and always pan. It's been long coming and I'm so excited and happy that I brought it on here for you. Please do not forget to like this video, comment down below and subscribe to my channel. I post videos regularly and I would love to have you join the family. So I'll see you in the next one. Bye.